Today we're going to be trying on and review some of the Painless hair removal spray. I have this spray here, and this is hair removal with 8 minutes. They do recommend you to use the hair removal spray, and after you use this one, you use the hair growth inhibitor spray, massage in the top, and then let your skin absorb. And this should also slow down the growth of your hair. You use once a day for 4 weeks and enjoy being hairless. Hallelujah. This is very good too to use after the IPL treatment, since treat the skin after the aggression of the IPL post lights and make the skin calmer and soft and soothing and inhibit the hair from growing. So let me know in the comment below what you guys think about this product, if you like them or you're not. So I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.